Once upon a time, in the small, quirky town of Clarityville, there lived a young boy named Max. Max was known for his curiosity and his knack for asking questions that no one could answer. One sunny morning, Max was walking through the park when, out of the blue, a talking parrot landed on his shoulder. The parrot squawked, "Clear your mind, Max." The answer is obvious. Max was puzzled. "What answer?" he asked. The parrot rolled its eyes. "Evident, apparent, manifest. The answer is right in front of you." Max scratched his head. "Parrot, you're not being very lucid. What are you talking about?" The parrot sighed dramatically. "Max, you always look for complicated answers, but sometimes the truth is clear and simple. For example, the park is peaceful because people respect it. That's why it's clean and beautiful." Max blinked. "That's actually a good point." The parrot puffed up its feathers proudly. "Remember, Max, the important things in life are often the most obvious. You just have to open your eyes to see them." From that day on, Max learned to look at the world with fresh eyes. He realized that kindness, respect, and curiosity were all around him, clear and evident, if only he paid attention. And as for the parrot, it flew away as suddenly as it had appeared, leaving Max with a new perspective on life. Sometimes the best lessons come out of the blue. Clear, meaning easy to understand, free from confusion. Example, the instructions were clear, so everyone followed them easily. Evident, meaning obvious or apparent, easy to see or understand. Example, it was evident from her smile that she was happy. Obvious, meaning easily seen or understood, clear. Example, the answer was so obvious that everyone knew it immediately. Apparent, meaning seeming real or true, visible. Example, it became apparent that Max had solved the puzzle. Lucid, meaning expressed clearly, easy to understand. Example, her explanation of the topic was very lucid and everyone understood it. Manifest, meaning clear or obvious to the mind or eye. Example, his happiness was manifest in the way he danced around the room. Curiosity, meaning a strong desire to know or learn something. Example, her curiosity about the stars led her to study astronomy. Perspective, meaning a particular way of viewing something. Example, talking to her gave me a new perspective on the problem. Respect, meaning a feeling of admiration for someone or something because of their qualities or achievements. Example, showing respect for others is important in building relationships. Dramatic, meaning sudden and striking in appearance or effect. Example, the actor's dramatic performance left the audience speechless. Idiom, a bird in the hand is worth two in the bush. Meaning, it's better to have something small and certain than to risk it for something more uncertain. Example, don't quit your job before you have another one lined up. Remember, a bird in the hand is worth two in the bush. Comprehension. Questions. Why was Max puzzled when the parrot landed on his shoulder? What did the parrot mean by saying, "The important things in life are often the most obvious"? How did Max change after his encounter with the parrot? Don't forget to repeat the video many times to get the content entrenched in your head. Then answer the questions in the comments and recite them loudly for speaking practice.
Thanks for watching! If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Learn English with Zozo. Let's keep learning and growing together. See you in the next video. Take care!